Hey, this is Xavier from Genesis of Hoover coming to you live. Coming here to show you this brand new 2019 Genesis G90. It's a beautiful vehicle. Let's take a look at it. It's going to feature our signature premium alloy wheels, tons of our latest safety features like lane keep assist, blind spot detection. Once you follow me, I'll show you inside. Now this beautiful vehicle is going to feature our Napa leather interior. Also going to come with a 12-inch monitor, backup camera, heated seats, cool seats, sunroof, everything that you can imagine. But that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle is going to be the warranty. You have a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty, as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty. We're also going to throw in a 3-year, 36,000 concierge service. So we'll pick that car up, service it, and bring it back to you. So my name is Xavier. Give me a call. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you're treated here.